रामानुजन पाठशालार आउ एक अध्याय को आपण मानक स्वागत। आज आमे बेसिक्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर आउ किछि क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करबा। यदि किछि क्वेश्चन भी रिपीट हो जाय आपण मानकर भलो सेटा बारंबार रिपीट हेले आपण मानकर मन रहि जिवो। त क्वेश्चन कला बेले बेले बहुत क्वेश्चन रिपीट हो जाय। मु देखुतली परे तेंकरी आमे आरंभ करबा। Which generation of computer used vacuum tubes? First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. Answer है option A, first generation. Which generation of computer used transistors? First, second, third, fourth. Answer है option B, second generation. Which generation introduced integrated circuits? First, second, third, fourth. आपनकर आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, थर्ड जनरेशन। तापर which generation uses artificial intelligence? ऑप्शन ए है थर्ड, बी है फोर्थ, सी है फिफ्थ, डी है सेकेंड। हमारा आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, फिफ्थ। Which of the following is an example of supercomputer? परम, लैपटॉप, डेस्कटॉप, टैबलेट। आंसर है परम। What does GUI stand for? Graphical user interface, general user interface, graphic universal interface, global user interface. Answer है A, graphical user interface. BIOS stands for basic input output system, binary input output system, basic internal operating system, binary internal operating system. Answer है option A, basic input output system. Which memory is closest to CPU? RAM, hard disk, cache, pen drive. Answer है C, cache. What is the full form of HDD? Hard disk drive, high data drive, hard data drive, heavy disk drive. Answer है A, hard disk drive. Which device is used to scan documents? Plotter, scanner, printer, speaker. Answer है option B, scanner. Which key is used to open task manager? Control plus C, Control plus Shift plus ESC, Control plus P, Alt tab. Answer है option B, Control Shift ESC. Which key is used to rename a file in Windows? F1, F2, F3, F4. Answer है option B, F2. Which shortcut is used to undo? Control Y, Control U, Control Z, Control R. Answer है option C, Control Z. Which shortcut is used to redo? Option है Control Y, B है Control Z, C है Control X, D है Control T. तो हमारा आंसर है ऑप्शन है Control Y. What does SMTP stand for? Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, Secure Mail Transfer Protocol, Simple Message Text Protocol, System Mail Transfer Protocol. आंसर है Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. ऑप्शन A. What does FTP stand for? File Transfer Protocol, Fast Transfer Program, File Transmission Program, Fast Test Protocol. तो मेरा आंसर है File Transfer Protocol. ऑप्शन A. Which of the following is a primary memory? Hard disk, RAM, DVD, pen drive. Answer है ऑप्शन B, RAM. Which of the following is a secondary memory? RAM, cache, hard disk, register. Option C, hard disk. What is the binary equivalent of decimal 2? Option है 10, B 1, C 11, D 100. Answer है option A, 10. What is the binary equivalent of decimal 5? 100, B है 101, C है 110, D है 111. Answer है option B, 101. Which device is used for video conferencing? Webcam, plotter, speaker, printer. Option A, webcam. Answer है option A, webcam. Which is an example of spreadsheet software? MS Word, MS Excel, MS Paint, MS Notepad. MS Word, MS Excel, MS Paint और Notepad. Answer है option B, MS Excel. which is an example of text editor? Notepad, Excel, PowerPoint, Access. Answer है option A, Notepad. What does IP stand for? Internet Protocol, Internal Protocol, Input Protocol, International Protocol. Answer है option A, Internet Protocol. Which device prints large engineering drawings? Printer, scanner, plotter, speaker. Answer है C, plotter. Which storage device uses laser technology? Hard disk, CD or DVD, pen drive, RAM. Answer है option B, CD or DVD. What is the extension of PowerPoint file? docx, .ppc, pptx, xlsx, exe. Answer है option B, pptx. What is the extension of text file? .txt, .ppt, .xls, .jpg. Answer है A, .txt. Which of the following is not hardware? Mouse, keyboard, Windows, monitor. Answer है option C, Windows. What does OCR stand for? Optical character recognition, online character recognition, optical code reader, online code reader. Answer है option A, optical character recognition. Which device converts digital signal to analog? Option A, modem, B, router, C, scanner, D, keyboard. Option A, modem. Which network covers a city? LAN, WAN, MAN, PAN. Answer है option C, MAN. Which network covers a small area like office? LAN, WAN, MAN, CAN. Answer है option A, LAN. What does www use? HTTP, SMTP, FTP, POP. Answer है HTTP. Which is example of social networking site? Facebook, Excel, Linux, Windows. Answer है option A, Facebook. What is the brain of computer system? RAM, CPU, mouse, monitor. Answer है what is the brain of a computer system? Answer है option B, CPU. Which key is used to move to next line? Shift, Enter, Control, Alt. Answer है option B, Enter. What is full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language, High Text Markup Language, Hyper Transfer Markup Language, High Transfer Machine Language. Answer है Hypertext Markup Language. What is full form of HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Hyper Transfer Text Protocol, High Text Transfer Protocol, Hyper Tool Transfer Protocol. Answer है option A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Which is an example of operating system? Android, Excel, Word, Chrome. Answer है option A, Android. Which device is used to hear sound? Monitor, speaker, scanner, plotter. Answer है option B, speaker. Which is example of database software? MS Access, Paint, Notepad, Calculator. Database software है answer A, MS Access. Which memory stores booting instructions? RAM, ROM, cache register. Answer है ROM. What is the full form of CD? Compact disc, computer disc, compact data, computer data. Answer है option A, compact disc. What is the full form of DVD? Digital video disc, digital versatile disc, data video disc, data versatile disc. Answer है digital versatile disc. Which is volatile memory? ROM, hard disk, RAM, CD. Answer है RAM. Which device helps in typing? Mouse, keyboard, scanner, speaker. Answer है option B, keyboard. Which key is used to close active window? Alt F4, Control plus C, Control plus S, F1. Answer है option A, Alt plus F4. Which company developed Android? Apple, Microsoft, Google, IBM. Answer है option B, option C, Google. Which device is used to point and click? Keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer. आमर आंसर है ऑप्शन बी माउस। आज आम आउ किसी क्वेश्चन आंसर कले डिस्कशन करे तेणुकर आपको जब आम वीडियो भल लगुता है जदि आमर इनफॉरमेशन आपन किसी काम लगुता है तेले आपण आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने सहित आउ वीडियो टी को लाइक एवं शेयर करंतु। धन्यवाद।